Hello and welcome to all in Info for Triple E. My name is Sachin. Are you serious for GATE 2019? I have some beautiful tips for you through which you can prepare GATE by your own. Let's see what GATE is and what these tips are. Organizing Institute list year-wise. GATE has been organized by 7 IITs and 1 ISC Bangalore. These are the 7 IITs and it is ISC Bangalore which conduct GATE exam, and it is the organizing year list. So GATE 2019 will be organized by IIT Madras and GATE 2020 will be organized by IIT Delhi. GATE paper pattern. GATE have two sections, general aptitude and technical section. Total number of questions are 65. Technical section is of 85 marks and general aptitude section is of 15 marks. Total number of questions in your general aptitude is 1 to 10. It means 5 questions are of 1 marks and 5 questions are of 2 marks. So total 5 plus 10, 15 marks are from general aptitude. And for the technical section, we have question number 1 to question number 25 are of 1 mark, so 25 marks for this, and 26 to 55 are of 2 marks. 30 questions are of 2 marks, so it will be 60. So the total of your GATE paper is 100, and it is a 3 hours exam. It is an online exams, CBT, computer based exam. How to prepare for GATE 2019 by your own? I have some beautiful tips for you. If you want to prepare GATE by your own, so you have to follow these tips. Let's see what these tips are. Step number 1, do analysis of each subject, like their weightage and important topics. It means that you have to analyze your GATE paper, whatever it may be, electrical, mechanical, civil, whatever is your branch. So you have to analyze each subject, like what kind of questions has been asked in previous years. There must be some particular topic from which the question has been asked in each year. So you have to find these important topics from each subject, so what these topics are, and you have to make a list of each subject and the subtopics which has been asked in a GATE. Step number 2, prepare important topics from each subject. The list which you made in your first step, you have to prepare all those topics here. You can prepare all the topics from your standard books and with the help of internet and YouTube videos. There are lots of options by which you can prepare by your own. Step 3, make synopsis while practicing GATE question. Synopsis is a formula sheet which consists of all the concepts has been asked in your previous year GATE question papers and the formulas used in your GATE questions. Synopsis will be used at the time of revision, so it is a very important part of your preparation. So make a synopsis while preparing for the exam parallelly. Step 4, practice test series in the last month. It is very important for the preparation of GATE. All the toppers which have topped or scored good rank in the GATE have practiced a lot in the last month. So you have to join the test series. Some of the online test series are available like MedEasy, ACE, GATE Forum and all. So you have to practice your test series in the whole last month. It will give you the same experience of your GATE exam and it will make you friendly for the exam. So I will advise you, if you want to score good rank in your GATE exam, so it will improve your rank and it will help you to score well in your exam. Meanwhile, preparing for the GATE, you need motivation and patience. Your motivation can be a good job, a secured future, a good salary and all. So find your motivation. Why do you want to crack GATE? If you have a strong motivation, a strong reason behind this, so you will able to prepare well for the exam continuously. And second, you will go through many ups and downs during the preparation. So ups and downs can be your family issues, your personal life and all. So you have to be isolated for some time while preparing for your GATE. And the last, don't take a break more than a week. It is very important. Start your monthly milestone plan. Monthly milestone plan means that you have to complete some subjects in a particular month. Like for the October 2018, like for example, I just wrote here network, signal system and digital electronics. So these 3 subjects I have to complete in the starting month of my October. It means that in the starting time of my preparation, that is for the October. And these are some hot months which are onwards from your October, like your November, December and January. And then it will be here your exam. And rest subject you can prepare here. So these are the hot months and all, and make your own personal schedule chart for this. It will help you a lot, that are you completing your subjects within your time or not. It will help you to analyze your preparation level and all. And in the December you have to do revision for the strongs and weak topics. And in the January you have to do test series and revision. It is the proper plan for the GATE 2019 if you want to crack by your own. So you have to maintain your own milestone sheet, which will help you to analyze your performance level as well as your level of your preparation also. GATE 2019. Yes, you can. You have to strike hardest and invest everything whatever you have. Invest your time, invest your money, invest your efforts. Just strike hardest. Just prepare once well for the GATE, and trust me, you will be able to score very good marks and a good rank, and it will fulfill all your dreams, and it will comes with the flying colors into your life. Just focus your aim. Download GATE electrical, electronics and instrumentation paper. Link is shown in the description. You can download the papers, standard papers, from the given link. It is one of my favorite quote. When I was preparing for my GATE, I was always used to read this quote. The moment you are not preparing, somebody somewhere is preparing, and when you will fight with him, he will win, because you are not preparing right now. So it means that your time is very important. You have to save your each moment while your preparation, because if you will miss your moment, somebody else will got the opportunity. You have to come back with empty hands. So it is all about your preparation. About me, my name is Sachin. I am 4 times GATE qualified, 2015 to 2018, and I have 2 years teaching experience in electrical engineering as well as for the GATE electrical. Currently I am pursuing MTech from NIT Kurukshetra in control systems. Thanks for watching our video. If you're liking our video, kindly do comment, like and share. It gives us motivation to work for you. Thanks a lot.